Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Stealth Performance Package, the Stealth Appearance Package, and the Driver Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing with your tow hitch underneath, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails as well. We got a nice powered liftgate, pretty handy, and we also get the split gate as well. So they both open, perfect for tailgate parties or extra workspace, totally up to you. We do get plenty of storage, hooks and doodads. Got a nice 120 volt, you got a light, more hooks and doodads, cargo cubby holes, reclining third row with the ability to collapse both roads. So they will go down. Pretty nice. You got cup holders and plenty of storage, arm space, all that jazz. I'm just gonna slide that back up. There you go, just to show you that it works. And to close your lift gate, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. We got the nice black looking rims on here thanks to the Stealth Performance Package and Appearance Package. We do get the nice black trim with the keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light, and side view camera. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, you got recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with 2 captain's chairs in the middle. They are adjustable. You got a little step to get to the back. You just hit that button right there. Seat will go forward. You just got to slide it forward a bit more so you have access to your back 3 passengers. We do get plenty of storage up front with the B&O sound system, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, and you can put a little tablet there with your rear climate controls, heated middle seats, 120 volt. You got 2 USB-Cs on the front seats, and a nice little place to stick your phone or tablet. Totally up to you. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We got the nice platinum logo on the front seats as well. Plenty more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. They're all automatic with power folding mirrors. You got your lovely 4-wheel drive modes, split gate, and parking brake with a lovely heads-up infotainment system. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 62 kilometers. We got this lovely heads-up display. Shows you literally anything you want. You got your navigation here, seat belts, which is whatever. Got little toggles here, speed limit, digital speedometer. Got a little haptic feedback here, so it will show up just here, as well as over here for your volume, playback, play forward, voice, all that jazz. Ford's Blue Cruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We do get our Pro Trailer Assist, trailer brake, storage with outlets, and it does close. Cup holders. We do get your normal center console with storage, and a nice secret storage as well. Pretty handy. Slide it back. We got our gear select with volume, auto stop, SR, park sensing, hazards, traction, hill, and your 360 view of the vehicle, where you can go through different camera angles, which is always pretty helpful so you can see what you're doing in this big old vehicle. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, as well as navigation, audio, personal profiles, and phone. Climate controls all at the bottom here with dual climate, heated and cooling front seats, and heated steering wheel. Navigation, gonna click into there. Pretty nice. Just your normal Google Maps, pretty easy to use, recenter, all that jazz. Gonna go back real quick. You gotta add your phone. You have your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Pretty nice. Personal profiles, all your vehicle settings such as auto hold. You got driver memory, so memory mirrors and seat lighting, brightness, rear climate lock, valet mode settings, and you can fiddle around with the vehicle like that and open your split gate. We have all your settings or apps in here as well, based off your profile. So you have Google Maps. I believe you can go for more. You can download more. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube. Pretty nice. And you got little widgets so you can fix up here as well. So right now we just got our music, so media. I'm just gonna, let's do our off-road status, and it's just gonna show up right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA42478, and you can head on out of PG for it or give us a call.